fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows.
What's up, guys? So I'm currently waiting on the side of PCH for another group of cars because I guess we're gonna go for a little cruise today. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Canyons?
To be last.
In this?
I win. I got stuck with a Subaru instead of an Evo.
Damn it.
Just you and I.
So you gonna go home and pick up your 240? Bring it over here or what?
I wish.
No? No, you just, we'll push it to the top and we can let you roll down. There you go.
I'm honestly still surprised just seeing you here in Malibu.
I know.
On Stunt Road.
First time for everything. Probably gonna be my last time because it's a far ass drive. But
Oh man.
no, I'm just
Far
kidding.
for you.
I'm
It
always
took me
down.
an hour to get to the meeting
Yeah,
spot.
I know. It took him an hour just to get to our meetup spot. To drive what, another hour over here?
Yeah. At least another hour over here.
Wow.
And then get dropped by an Evo.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was no way I was keeping them in those corners.
Car is louder than mine. I've only had that Tomei for like 3 days. Oh yeah?
What's up, guys? So with a track day coming up in about 2 weeks, we got to do a little bit of weight reduction on the Evo 10s because they are pretty heavy. I believe stock weight is 3560. Now we just did the Tomei, so that definitely shaves a lot because the stock catback is over 40 pounds and the Tomei itself is like 9.5 pounds. But continuing that theme, we have an STM Rear Bash Bar. So inside the USDM bumper is the USDM Crash Bar. That weighs, I believe, 35 pounds, and this guy is a little more than 9 pounds, so it's about a 26-pound weight reduction off the rear end, which is pretty big. Like, that's almost 1% of the car's weight just off of a bash bar. So, yeah, we're going to get started on this today. It shouldn't be too hard. The only thing I did notice is that because I have the mud flaps, it's kind of a little bit difficult to get to without lifting up the car and taking the rear wheels off, but I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get it. I've had good luck getting the screws out for the mud flaps so far.
Jump for the shit up top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. So out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line with your fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the fields. Hey, vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like. Yeah, I fantasize. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I feel it. I let them hear the fear of a passive aggressive angry black man with a passion. Steady grip when I shoot to the stars with a full clip. Trying line with a loose sleep, then I proofread till I lose sleep. Couldn't handle the truth in your bed with the right. Never at first sight shit. Art over hype shit. Need a sound bite for the time capsule. Press play, they pause time for a bit. Smitten, I admit it, could they kick it? I'm in love with the fine print. Scribble type of shit they really find behind it. Why the suspicious behind the eyelid? Tell a reckless with the clauses. Careful with it cost me. Need this shit forever, but I never ever stop until they put me in the coffin or they off me. Fuck taking quick to auction, they false print. Always treat the shit with a caution. Hold the 10 toes down for the dogs, you can see the paw print. Searching for the answers in the bottom of the last strip of the handle. To the end of the candle, doing shit to myself, give me fears when I'm looking in the mirror. I'm seeing somebody else, yeah. Mi corazón is on my sleeve shoulder. Wrist thing on a rose gold, admire the glow from me. Put a drink on the globe, so I wanted to go from it. Just know that I feel everything, yeah, 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 I got my eyes low with the sky flows where the rhyme flows. I don't really know just where we might go with the mind scope. So many things I never learned with my eyes closed. Too busy with the schemes, I'm telling you my dreams.
Okay, the OEM rear crash bar is out, and as you guys may have been able to tell from the way it collapsed off the car, it's pretty heavy. So that is a huge weight savings right there. Honestly, I think getting like a street Evo 10 to like the 3,300 pound range would be like a really good thing to do and well worth the money. It's just, the car is just better in every way when you start reducing weight. Better acceleration, better braking, better handling, less, I mean, minimally, probably less gas, less brake pad wear. But again, the car just feels so much better when you're driving a lightweight car too. And then one final thing before I'm ready to start installing the STM rear bash bar, I do need to take the license plate lights off the OEM one. It's really easy. There's just 4 little Phillips bolts, and then you gotta rip off those housings and transfer them over to the STM model, which does already have the cutouts for those license plate lights. So as you guys may have seen in those clips just now, I'm actually only running 4 out of these 6 mounting bolts. Reason being, as you might be able to tell, I'm not in my own garage, and my own fault. I actually did not bring any wrenches. I just have a 3/8 ratchet set and then a 1/4 inch ratchet set. So unfortunately, those ratchets do not fit in this area. So I'm only able to use the outer and lower portion of for bolting on the bash bar. It's not really an issue. When I do take the rear bumper off next, for whatever reason, I will add these bolts back in if I'm back in my house. But yeah, that will not be an issue. The car is not being jacked up from here or anything. It is just in the event of being rear-ended, the car is at least somewhat protected. It's probably not as good of protection as the stock bash bar that is way thicker and way heavier. But yeah, it's definitely 100% better than nothing. Like I said, I will be tracking the Evo again in 12 days, and it is actually the same track and the same layout and orientation of the last track day I did with the Evo, which was Streets of Willow clockwise. And I drove a 1 minute and 30-second flat on my first time there. Since then, the Evo has lost about 40 pounds, gained about 13 wheel horsepower and 5 pound-feet of torque, and then it did gain the APR GTC 300 wing. So with all that combined, I'm really excited to see, and a little more driver mod, I'm excited to see if I can improve that time. I really hope I can. I think I should be able to. Yeah, I want to see how far I can improve, because really going for like that 127 range, maybe not this upcoming track day, but soon. By the end of 2020, I want to be at least like 127 there. But yeah, I'm really excited for that, so we'll see how that goes.